guys, thanks for joining me and welcome. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Desi or Desiree. You can call me Des. And to all my old subscribers who always follow my wig reviews, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I did a wig review for you, but honestly guys, I've been getting a lot of offers to do wig reviews and I have not accepted 99.9% of them. So today is a wig review. A company called WIGENCOUNTERS contacted me via email and asked me to do a wig review, and they gave me the opportunity to choose the wig that I wanted to review. And so I went onto their site and I found this beautiful, gorgeous, curly unit. This is 100% Indian hair. And guys, this is absolutely a beautiful wig. I just want you to get a look at the hairline a little bit. And I did adhere it with this product called Asia Absolute lace wig bond. And if you've been following me for years, you know that I have like sensitivities and allergies to wig adhesives, but I'm not having a problem so far with this. And so yes, so I have it adhered down today, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So let me just go into some of the details. I am going to show you how I adhered it just a little bit. I didn't go into full details, guys. If it's your first time wearing wigs or you're not used to wearing wigs, these wigs are so easy just to remove the lace and apply. I mean, it just takes a lot of the difficulty away from it. I remember when I started reviewing wigs on YouTube, it's been like 9 years, guys, if you can believe it. 9 years ago, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy for me because I wasn't a natural wig wearer. I was becoming a wig wearer then. It was so difficult to apply full lace wigs. They were either too big or too small, or I had too much of my own natural hair that just wouldn't fit in the wig. And but over the years, this wig game has changed up so much. These wigs are lighter weight. The hair is much better. This hair smells so good, which was an issue like years and years ago. These wigs used to smell so badly. But this, I normally wash wigs when I take it out the box. Not this one. This one smelled freshly washed, light floral scented, I guess conditioner or hair wash, I don't know. But I didn't wash this wig before I put it on because it just smelled fresh and clean. So let me just show you. The company that reached out to me is called WIGENCOUNTERS. That's the box that this came in. I don't know why I stuck that up there like that, but yeah, this is the box that it came in. And very quickly, before I go into, I made a very short video of how easy it is to remove the lace and then apply it. I'm going to show you how I did that. But first of all, let me show you what comes with the wig. It came in this plastic bag like that. Also came with a netted wig cap, which are my favorite wig caps. If you guys have been following me for the last 9 years, you absolutely know that's my favorite wig cap to wear because it helps keep my own natural hair down and in place when I'm wearing a full lace wig. Here's the card that comes with it, and on the back of the card, and I don't want to show you my address because it's back there, comes the details about your wig when you order your wig. And guys, before I read these details about this wig I have on, I want you to know that there is a $30 discount on regular price wigs. So I mean, that's really exciting. Okay, so let me read to you what it says here on this card. It says WIGENCOUNTERS is serving people who are new to wigs or those who are beginners and hesitate to install wigs by themselves, worrying about it not looking natural or looking good. So here we are. We also bring specific tutorials and the best customer care service. Let me tell you a little bit about this wig. This wig here is, the hair type is Indian Remy. This is really soft Indian Remy, guys, and I've already ran my fingers through it and I got minimal amount of shedding. The hair color is black. Now I have to say that this looks more like a dark brown, a number 2, and it does have some bits of red highlighting in it, but natural highlight, but I mean it still looks really dark. And if you like to wear like black wigs or dark brown wigs, this is definitely a good color for you. It says this is 16 inches and the hair density is 180% hair density, which means you get a natural look. This is the right amount of hair for this hair type. So you're not going to have a really big head of hair, and you're not going to have like very thin amount of hair on the wig. It just looks natural. This looks like this would be a natural amount of hair someone would have on their head. Also, it says this is a Glueless 360 lace frontal wig cap. It has baby hairs all the way around the wig, around the perimeter. Swiss lace, soft yet durable. The lace color is medium brown. The cap size is average. This wig is pre-plucked and the net is off. Oh, it smells nice, guys. This wig smells really good. That's the hairline. This is what the wig looks like. Lace all the way around. Lace is 360, and let me just turn this inside out so that you guys can see what kind of wig we have here. And so you can see that it has been, the knots have been bleached. That's what that looks like. And so this wig has 3 combs, one in the center and 2 on the temple, and it has 1 in the back, and it has adjustable straps. And this is the construction here where the hair is sewn. Hope you can see that. This is the hair again. 16 inches, guys. I'm going to use some face powder and color in the lace a little bit at the front so that it'll match my hairline a little bit more naturally. And I'm going to cut the lace off. I'm going to remove the center comb, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, guys, so here I am just using a clip to pull back the hair so that I can get all the hair out of the way, including the baby hairs, so that I can remove the lace. I'm removing the lace with a small, sharp pair of scissors, and I'm not cutting the lace exactly straight, as you can see. You do want it to have sort of like an uneven edge when you remove the lace. A lot of people remove their lace when the wig is on their head because it's easier that way for them to do it. But this is the easiest way for me. I like to just remove it before I put it on. Right here, I'm pointing to where when the wig knots were bleached, the bleach did process some of the hair at the hairline. I'm going to show you how to fix that in case you ever bleach your knots and this happens. I'm going to show you what to do. All is not lost. You can cover that up very quickly. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with this wig. So I'm just removing all the lace, and I'm just showing you the hairline. I'm showing you the adjustable straps pulled in, which I am going to take out later. And I'm going to remove that center comb. And all I'm doing is just snipping the threads that are holding the comb into place. So you don't want to cut your lace. You just want to release those threads that are holding the comb. And so once that's out, I'm just going to show you how easy that and quick that is. Use a sharp pair of scissors. And as you can see, I have not cut or snipped the lace at all. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Even the ends are gorgeous. So as you can see inside the wig, I did sew in an adjustable strap. That's going to allow the wig to fit snug on my head. It'll be snug around the hairline. That light colored headband that I have on is a wig grip. That's going to help ensure that the wig does not move or slip around. Wig grips hold your wig into place so that they don't move. And so I chose a light colored wig grip so that it looks natural against the part. Right here, I'm just putting the combs into place. I'm going to slip it underneath the wig grip. I'm going to do that to the other side. So now I'm just going to apply 2 bobby pins to the sides of my hair, and I'm going to slip the pin under my wig behind the ear area. So I did that to both sides. This is 91% alcohol. I'm going to clean my hairline with it just to remove any makeup or oils. And now I'm going to apply my wig using this adhesive. This is called Isha. This is a wig holding bond. It's very creamy, and you want to not use your fingers when you do this, guys, because the oils from your fingers will interfere with the adhesion effect. So I'm using the end of my comb, and I'm just putting the wig bond into the areas where I want my wig to be laid. So after a few seconds, I let it get slightly clear. I'm just going to take the edge of the lace and put it onto the glue area. And I'm just pressing it in using the back end of my comb. I'm going to tie my hair down and hold it into place for about 15 minutes. And so now that it's done, guys, you can see that the hair is laid. I didn't create any baby hairs, not with this wig. This wig is so full and the hairline is just so thick and beautiful. I didn't want to create any extra drama in the front. So I just wanted to part the wig to show you what the part line looks like. And it looks really, really, really natural. Right here on the side, guys, I wanted to show you when the knots were bleached, some of that bleach did get onto the hair. So if I was to part my hair in this area, you can clearly see that some of the hair has been bleached. It looks auburn in color. I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to take my old makeup brush, some black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take and just lightly brush the eyeshadow onto the part of the hair that was bleached. I'm not putting it on the lace. I'm only putting it on the hair. So you want to get as close to the lace as possible without getting it on your lace. This will ensure that the wig will look natural at the part line. These are just some of the tricks of the trade that I've learned over the years reviewing wigs and wearing wigs. And so now this is my natural part that I created, and I had to do that to this part. And as you can see, I'm still kind of touching it up just a little bit, but I'm loving it the way it is. So now I'm going to use some NYX concealer, and I'm just going to just add a little bit of concealer to the part area. You can use your face powder if you like, or you can use foundation. It's up to you, but I'm just using concealer because I just like the nice contrast it brings to the hair and my natural skin. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of water. This is just plain water. I'm just softening the hair with the water, getting it slightly damp, not very damp. And I'm going to use some defining mousse. And this one is by Herbal Essence. And I'm just putting a little bit of mousse on this hair. Will help you define your natural curl. That looks really nice. And this is the back. I'm just doing a little spin for you all, and just to show you that the hair is still soft and it moves around. Just the hair is soft. It smelled so beautiful when I took it out of the package. I mean, I love it. I didn't show you a close-up, but let me just show you the hairline without messing it up. But yeah, this came out really, really, really lovely. And that lace glue works really well because this wig is not coming off. Alright guys, don't forget guys, there is a $30 off coupon, and I want to thank Wig Encounters for sending out this gorgeous unit to me. I absolutely love it. This is a beautiful wig. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Leave your thoughts on this wig. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.